and welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got something a little different today. Today we've got a ledger. So a ledger is a way for you to store your crypto essentially offline, or it's otherwise known as a cold wallet. So the benefit of one of these is that you can store all your cryptocurrencies offline. So for instance, you don't need to store it on Coinbase or Binance, because the risk there is that it could be hacked, it could be stolen, and if it's not in your hands, it's not really yours. So I got this one off Amazon, £69. They did have a 30% discount code on this colour as well, a Bitcoin orange, so I got 30% off that as well. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one. But I'm going to show you inside. So this is the Ledger Nano S Plus. So there are some more expensive models, such as the Nano X. The benefit to the Nano X is that you can use it with an iPhone, plug it directly in, and it has Bluetooth. Whereas this one, you can use it with Android, or you can plug it into a Mac, or plug it into Windows. So here's the box. Very nice. Made in France if you're interested. So you can store your coins, up to 5,000 on them, are compatible, and your NFTs. So in the box, you get a box for your recovery phrase. I'm not going to show you mine, obviously, because it's got my recovery phrase written in. But you get 3 little sheets, and then you can write your recovery phrase on there for the ledger. And you get the recovery phrase when you set it up. So you've got a little booklet there. And here is the ledger. Comes with this little keychain as well. I've attached that on. So it's really light, 21 gram. So to use it, you have to plug it in directly to the computer. You can't use it on its own. So that's the ledger. And then in the bottom here, we have a cable to connect it to the PC. So I used to store all my crypto with an exchange, and now I've moved the majority of them onto this ledger, so my Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So to use it, we put that in there and connect the other end to the PC. Before I show you that, let's just have a quick look in here. So this is essentially a manual how to get started, how to set it up, and you also get some little stickers, so you can stick them on your laptop, MacBook, PC, phone, wherever. A little bit of free marketing for them, I suppose. So I'm going to connect this to the PC and show you what it looks like. So plug it in, can you see that? There you go. So then you can set up your own pin. I've set up mine, so let me put that in off camera and I'll show you what it looks like. So just putting the pin in. All done. So basically, it's got these little buttons across the top that you use to select, and then you can go through and load the coins on through the Ledger app on your PC, and then you can transfer your crypto to there. It's got all sorts of security features to keep your stuff safe. It really is a great idea if you don't want to keep your things, your coins or your NFTs, on an exchange. So, there you have it, the Ledger Nano S Plus. If you want to get one from Amazon, I'll pop a link in the bio. If you've liked this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and check us out on other social media, so TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Threads, X, Lemonade. Yeah, thanks very much guys. We'll see you again soon.